Hello, hi guys. So in this video we'll learn how to draw the projection of a points. So here this is a question: draw the projections of the following points on a common reference line keeping the distance between their projectors 25 mm apart. So in that first bit is point P is 30 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. So we have to draw the projections of each and every point, that is PQRST, on a common reference line by keeping the distance between their projectors are 25 mm apart. So first draw a straight line by using line command, L enter, or you can press on the line image, then select the first point, L enter, specify first point, draw a straight line by keeping a fade on. A fade means ortho on. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 points are there. So first 25 into 5, 125 is the distance. Or else you can give directly 125 here. Then escape, enter. Next divide this line into 5 number of equal parts. Div, enter, div, enter. Then select the objects to divide. Then select this line and enter number of segments 5. Give that as 5. Enter. Then we could not see the divisions. For that, go to utilities and point style. Select this, any of these. I'm selecting this one, and this as point size is 2 mm and set size in absolute units, then OK. So we have divided that line into 5 number of equal parts. This is the first point, second, third, fourth, fifth, right? So we are keeping the distance from projector to projector is 25 mm. So I'm going to draw the projections of first point, that is P. So P point is 30 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. That means the point P is in first quadrant, above HP in front of VP, means where in that quadrant we'll have front view above the XY line, top view below the XY line. So always remember one thing: whenever we are seeing from the front view, the height from the point to the HP, that is horizontal plane, you will see in the front view, means it is above HP. That above HP distance will be seen in front view. So in first angle projection, first if your point is in the first quadrant, this point P is 30 mm above HP, means we have to draw a 30 mm line from here. 30 mm above means when we are seeing from the front, we will able to see that 30 mm gap from HP to that point. So using line command, L enter, specify first point. This is the first point. Then draw a line of length 30, enter. So next enter again or escape. So where we will find the point A, so point P. This is a front view. Now yes, on the same projector we have to locate the top view also. Again L enter. From this point draw a line of length, how much? It is 40 mm in front of VP, that will be seen in top view. So 40 mm in front of VP, give that as 40, enter. Okay, enter. So this is 30 mm front view, this is 40 mm top view. So at for 30 mm distance we'll find one point. So for indicating the point, I'm using one command, that is donut command. Donut. So it is asking the inside diameter of the donut. I am giving this as 0.1. Enter. Again it is asking outside diameter of the donut, that is I'm giving that as 2. Enter. Specify center of the donut, where you want that point. Click over there, you will get a point. I want one point there and one point here. Okay, you can zoom it. Delete. Okay, so now indicate this is point P dash. I'm going with pan, right? So this is P dash front view, this is P top view. Go to text command, single text, click over here, and it is asking specify height. I am giving 3. Enter. Rotation angle always 0. Enter. And text, I am giving this text as small p dash, because it is front view. It is front view. Now click over here, P. Enter. Escape. Enter. Enter. Okay, this is P. So this is a projection of point P. Now I'm going to give dimensions for this. Dimension, linear dimension. Now zoom it. Linear. Select linear dimension. Then select the center point. From here to here is distance is 30. Now same thing from here to center point 40, right? So this is the answer for first one. Now we have to locate this point is in which quadrant. So we have to write it is in the first quadrant. So I can go to text command, single text, click over here, and text height is 3. Enter. Rotation angle 0. It is first quadrant. 1 Q. Enter. Enter. And one more thing you have to represent, this is VP, this is HP. Same command, text, text command, single text, and this is in VP. Enter. Enter. Write VP here, VP. So this is HP. HP. Enter. Enter. So like that you have to write all the denotations. So this is for point P. Next one is point Q is 30 mm, 32 mm below HP and 45 mm behind VP. Below HP, behind VP means it is in the third quadrant. So below HP means 32 will observe in the observe below the xy line, and 45 is observing the observe above the xy line. So we'll able to see this 45. I'll enter. So this is a point. Escape from this point. So I'm not getting the center point. For that, use enable all these. If you're not getting the center points, quadrants or intersection points, please click on this symbol, and you have to enable all these, then only you'll get the intersection point. Now I'm going with the line command. I'll enter. From this point, draw 45 line. 45. Enter. Enter. So you have to extend this line because both the front and top views lies on the same projector. From here you need to draw 30 30. Enter. Enter. So this is a projection for this point Q. So we have to represent the donut, DONUT, donut. Enter. 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 One point, second point. Go to text command, single text, same thing. You have to follow the same procedure. Single text in here. Enter. Enter. Point Q dash. Q because it is top view. Q. This is Q dash. Q dash. Enter. Enter. Now, so this is in the third quadrant. So you have to write third here. Third third quadrant. Third quadrant. And next this becomes HP, 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 and this becomes VP, VP. Enter. Enter. Now give the dimensions to this linear. Select the point from the center to the reference point. So I'm not selected exact dimension. Linear. Select this center point. No. Go to linear dimension. Yes, this is the center point. From here to this intersection, 45. So now I'm getting the same number. Next, what is 30? So in the question he has given 32, I think. So sorry. So delete this one. Delete. delete this also, and this is delete this line also, because he has given 32 distance. So for that I'll enter from this point, draw a line of length 32, that's it, enter. I'll get a line. Now enter, go to donut, enter, enter, because predefined values are there in center of the donut. Okay, now enter, go to linear dimension. This thing is you have to change the dimensions, that's it, from here to center, that is 32. Simple. Okay, so this is a solution for second problem, point number 2. Next, what is the third one? Third one, pointer P, sorry, R in HP, and 30 is behind VP. So either it may be, the point may be in the second or third. So that point is in HP as well as that is behind VP, means that is maybe in the second quadrant or that may be in the third quadrant. So for example, I'm taking that is in the second quadrant. When you are seeing from the front view, the point in the front view, the point should be on the HP, means we'll able to see that point on reference line. So we have to mark the point on a reference line, and that is in the front view. So from the top you will able to see the distance from VP, so that is 30 behind VP. So we will able to see 30 from the top view. So always remember one thing, that we should always rotate the horizontal plane in the direction of clockwise an angle of 90 degrees, so that will move to above the XY line. Means somewhere here you got 30 and on the XY you'll got front view, you'll get the front view. Okay, so this is point R, means I'm locating R dash here at a distance of 30, I'll get R. Is it clear? Right, enter. So line, enter. From this point draw a, he has given 30 means I have to draw the line of length 30 enter. Okay, you need to locate point here. So for that, donut is the option, donut, and enter. So click over here and click over reference line, right? This is front view, this is top view. So give the text to that. So single text, point R, enter R, smaller, here small r dash. Now dimensions, and it is in which quadrant? It is in second or third, second slash maybe in third, third quadrant, and VP or HP, VP in bracket HP. VP or HP. So give the dimension, go to linear, no, every time it became a very problem. Dimension, linear dimension, center point, select center point. Now it is 30 or R dash. Next, problem point S in VP 40 mm below HP means reverse to this one. Let's forward is reverse to this one. So in the VP means that may be in the first quadrant, or sorry, point S. Okay, point S is in VP and 40 mm below HP. 40 mm below HP means that may be in the third quadrant, or that may be in the fourth quadrant. So if it is in the third quadrant, so when your the point is on VP, in VP we are able to see that VP distance in the front view. So the point is in VP means the position of that point will appear with some distance in the front view. So in the front view means it is below HP means we are able to see this 40 mm distance that may be from the HP, and it is in the VP. So whenever we are observing from the top view, that point may be look like a point that should be lies on XY line. So whenever you are drawing a top view means you should locate that point, top view point on XY line. So here the top view will come with a distance of 40 mm. We'll able to see that front view, right? So we'll draw L enter, L enter. The front view distance is 40 mm below HP means we're able to see the distance in the front view. That means 40, enter. So this is 40 mm, and where you can get the top view, right? Top view means, so this point is S. So go to text command, text, single text, enter, enter. This is small s. So here you'll find s dash, s dash, and this is in the third or fourth quadrant. Third, capitals, third or fourth quadrant. It is VP or HP. VP and HP. VP in bracket, write down HP. And dimensions, indicate point, donut, enter, because already given 0.1, enter, and outside diameter is 2, enter. So ikkada point కావాలి, అక్కడ locate the point. And next one is dimension. Go to dimension, linear dimension, and select the point. Again you need to zoom, go to linear, select the center point, Zoom some more. Exactly, you need to select the center of the donut. Then only you'll get the exact dimension. Now go to linear dimension. This is center. Where will get the plus mark. That is your right. Now go to linear. So you'll find the plus mark, the center. So that is your center point. From that you need to drag. So then only you'll get the exact dimension 40, right? Now move on to last problem. One last problem is point is in VP and 35 mm above HP. In VP, 35 mm above HP. So this is point S is in VP and below HP. Whereas in this problem point E is in VP and it is above HP, means this projection will come above this line. That is the only difference. So means above HP distance can be seen in front view. That means at a distance of 35 you'll get the front view, and on XY line you'll get top view. So T should be on XY line and T dash should be on at a distance of 35 mm from the reference line, right? So draw L, enter, L, enter, 35 mm distance, give 35 mm, enter. That's it. Now look at point. This is front view, this is top view. I'm going to text command, text, single text, and now click over here, enter. That is our T dash, small t dash, capital small t, since it is top view. Now which quadrant it is? It is in first or second. So right here, first slash second quadrant, and VP HP, VP in bracket, write down HP, enter, enter. Now we have to indicate donut point. So donut is a command, and 0.1 is the inside diameter, outside diameter is 2, enter. Select the center point where you need to draw locate point. Now give the dimensions to that. For that, zoom. Go to linear dimension, center point. No, 35. Okay, got it. So like this you have to solve the problems in position of points. Thank you everyone.